Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how easy it is to clean out your dryer lint trap and your wall vent using the Sealegend Dryer Vent Vacuum Hose Kit. If you notice your clothes taking longer to dry or your dryer getting really hot, that usually means lint buildup. And what most people don't realize is that lint can be a serious fire hazard. So today I'll walk you through exactly how to use this tool to deep clean everything safely and efficiently. So this is the Sealegend Dryer Vent Vacuum Hose Kit. It's a flexible vacuum attachment that connects to almost any household vacuum. The kit includes a long bendable hose and a special adapter that helps you reach deep inside your dryer vent area. Setup is super simple. Connect the adapter to your vacuum hose. Simply attach the vacuum tube and you're good to go. Alright, let's start with the lint trap. Most people only clean the lint screen, but underneath that screen lays a deep cavity where lint sneaks past and collects. That's where the Sealegend really comes in handy. I'll slide the hose deep down into the trap and turn on the vacuum. Right away, you could see it pulling out clumps of hair that were completely hidden down there. That's the stuff that slows your dryer down and makes it work harder. Cleaning this out keeps your dryer running efficiently and safely. You can also use the hose to reach around the inside edges of your dryer drum and the small vent openings. All those spots collect lint, dust, and even pet hair over time. Because the hose is flexible, it bends easy around corners and tight areas. And since it uses your own vacuum's power, you get strong suction to grab every bit of hidden debris. Now let's move on to the wall vent. This is the opening that lets hot air escape outside. Over time, lint and dust can collect behind the cover, especially if it hasn't been cleaned in a while. I'm going to remove the cover and take a look inside. See all that buildup? That's what restricts airflow and causes your dryer to overheat. Now I'll insert the Sealegend hose and start vacuuming. Because it's long and flexible, it can reach several feet into the wall and pull out lint and dust you'd never reach otherwise. Look at the difference. It's clean, clear, and safe again. And that's it. A simple deep clean using the Sealegend Dryer Vent Vacuum. Cleaning your dryer vents and lint traps regularly helps your dryer run faster, use less energy, and last longer. But most importantly, it helps prevent one of the most top causes of house fires in the US, dryer lint buildup. Make this a quick part of your home maintenance routine. It only takes a few minutes and the results are definitely worth it. If you want to check it out, I'll drop the link below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.